I'm I'm from Blitar. I am 80 years old. My hobbies are boxing and playing volleyball. I do boxing 3 times a week. My idol is Manny Pacquiao because he inspires inspires me to like boxing. I ever become the the runner up of boxing competitions in class exhibition in 2019
twice.
Yes. In Blitar competition organized by Sasana GPI in Karisidenan competition level. I can push up 30 times a minute. I can pull up 17 attempts.
No, 17 times.
17 times
A minute.
I can sit up 50 times a minute.